In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to brand a Dropbox transfer with your logo and background image on your desktop. This feature allows you to add a personal touch and make your transfers uniquely yours, enhancing your professional appearance. Let's dive right in and go through the process together. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Dropbox.com website. If you haven't already, sign in with your account details. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a grid or dots icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. This represents the app's menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down list that appears, select Transfer. This will take you to the transfer page, where the magic happens. Now you're going to see an option labeled Customize Design. Clicking on this will bring up the branding settings. Here, you get to personalize your transfer with branding options that make it stand out. You'll start by entering your brand name. This is how people will recognize you or your business when they receive a transfer from you. There's also an optional field where you can provide your website link. If you have a business or personal website you'd like viewers to visit, this is the place to include it. Next is the exciting part, uploading your logo. Logos create a powerful association with your brand, ensuring recipients of your transfers immediately recognize where the files are coming from. When you're uploading your logo, ensure it's a high-quality image file and consider the size so it displays nicely on the screen without any blurring or distortion. Now, let's turn our attention to the background. You have two options here. You can either choose a color that complements your logo, or alternatively, upload a background image. If you decide to go with a background image, make sure it's visually appealing and in line with your brand identity. As with your logo, it's important to consider the resolution and size to ensure it displays correctly across different devices. Once you've made these selections, don't forget the crucial step: clicking Save Changes. This vital action finalizes your selections and saves all of your branding customizations. From that point on, every transfer you send via Dropbox will include your personalized branding, instantly adding a layer of professionalism and personalization. This careful attention to detail sets you apart and leaves a lasting impression on your recipients. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful way to make your transfers look polished and professional. By following these steps, you've ensured that every file you send is branded with your unique style, reinforcing your brand identity and adding a dash of personality to your file sharing. Thanks for tuning in today, happy transferring, and see you in the next video.